Okay, hello. I just recorded a video, but uh, the mic wasn't working. So, so sad. I'm going to record it again, but this time I'm not going to start it from the start. Like, I'm going to start from, like, just it's not from the start, but I'm going to explain everything in this new update of 30-minute website. Okay, let's start. First, you have this beautiful dashboard. Okay, I'm going to explain each part, but not in this video. I'm going to make another video with each thing because the project is kind of big, and I'm not. I will feel exhausted when if I want to explain everything in this project. It will take too long. Okay, first we're gonna start with learning what is. Okay, let's start with something simple. Config. Let's go. So for example, we're gonna make a store. As you can see here, it's already looking like a store. Okay, we're gonna make a store of uh, for um, Apple products. Okay, Apple logo. We're gonna search for Apple logo. As you can see here, this one is beautiful. Let's save it and let's make an Apple store. Just a simple Apple dashboard. Okay, I'm gonna call it Apple Store Sologo. This one, the Sologo. Okay, uh, products all Apple. No, okay, just something. Okay, just something like that. We're gonna save it. If I refresh right now, as you can see here, this is the Apple Store. Okay, beautiful. Uh, what I'm gonna do right now is let's start with creating collections. What is the collections? Okay, each collection here is representing this part here, this page. For example, orders. If I create a new collection here, it's gonna appear for in the navbar. I created here those three. I'm going to explain each one. uh, it's just like create them. You can create anything you want. It's not like something hard coded in the program, in the 30-minute website. Okay, let's for example, I created this called orders. Okay, for example, I created this called products. Okay, and each one of this, don't don't get so confused with the code and things like that. It's all simple. Okay, here we have, let's make it small to see. We have image. Each product have image, have name, have category, and price and description. So simple. The image is type of image, and the name is type string. Category, I make it as a reference. I'm going to explain what is reference. I hope I'm recording right now. I don't want to have issues again. Please work. OBS. B man. Okay. Price is a number and description is wish text. I'm going to explain each thing right here. So as you can see here in those things here is the same thing. If I come to orders and I click to create. No, I'm in the order. I want the products. If I come to the products, as you can see here, is the same thing. We have image. We need to put an image and the name and the category and the price and description. Okay. For the image, let's upload, like, for example, iPhone 14 here. iPhone 4 14. 15, I mean. And the categories, there is no category. I'm going to create it, but not now. Okay. The price, let's say, I don't know. It's no, it's too much. Just like that. Okay. Here I'm gonna say, um, just nice phone. and I'm gonna say it's a bold and okay, bold, just like that. And probably I can do 300 dash 200 DH, and here I can say it's okay, first it's like 3 and it's not longer this, and it's only 2. Oh, it's just down. Okay. Okay, this is so good, so good. um Here, if I come here to this, as you can see, there is category, no reference. We have no reference. Okay, the reference is actually, if I come here to the collections, I'm going to explain it. If I come here to the collection, you have, oops, if I come to the collection and I saw, no bro, please put your mind with us. If I come to the product here, there is category, and if I come here, it's category, type of reference to the category to categories collection, and we bring the name key. Okay, all good. You need to put, sorry, name. Okay, if I come to the categories right now here, and I created a new category, and I'm gonna call it phones, and save. I'm going to create another here, for example, laptops, and headphones. Alright, all good. Phones, headphones, laptops, just like that. Okay, those are the three categories we have. And if you saw here, as you can see here, there's only name. If I come to the collections, then I come to categories, there's only name here. I can add, for example, for each category can have image, and you can put it as an image. And if I come back to categories here, as you can see, there is an image and there is no one here. If I come edit, I can upload an image. I don't know, for example, I can upload this as an image, and I can save it, and as you can see here, this have the image. Okay, um but I'm not going to use it for now. I'm going to delete the image. No need for that. Only make it simple to make people understand. Okay, only name for the category fields. Now if I come here to product, this is a phone, it's iPhone, so let's edit it. And if I click now here, as you can see, it's bringing all the names of the categories we have. We have headphones, we have laptops, as well as phones. Let's click phones, because it's a phone, and I'm gonna save. As you can see here, it's now updated to the right thing. Let's make another product here, and I'm going to choose this one here. And yeah, all good. Name is Apple headphone. I don't know the name of it, but it's just Apple headphone. Just delete that headphone, and it's headphones. The price is only, and wow, so good. All right, I'm gonna save it, and we have now two products. Okay, cool. Let's come to here. Okay, I want to I want to show you something. Okay, for example, here the category is only, we use the category only inside the product. So why would I put it outside here? Why would I put it in the navbar? It's gonna be better if I just hide it from the navbar and use it only inside the products, because the products is the only collection that used categories. So let's do that. Let's hide it from the navbar. I'm going to come here, and if I come to the categories, I can edit it, and let's select here mother collection. Okay, we want this collection to have a mother collection, and we're gonna call it products. If I click down save, it's not appearing anymore here. And if I click the product, as you can see, there is the collections here. There is the categories here. It's appearing only inside the products. If I come to the orders, for example, there is nothing here, but in the products we have categories. Okay, all good now. um, what else? If I come to the orders, as you can see here, there is the name. Let's see all the types we have. Here we have string, number. String is used for small strings, small texts. Number is a number. Boolean is for false or true. Image, avatar. Object is for using, like, if you want uh, to make sub things, like for example, you can say person, and inside the person you can put name, age, and work, and the work can be an object of the company, and the salary, and something like that. Okay, select, you can put values to select between them. Array is like array. Reference, I just showed you the reference, how it works. Date is just time, just dates, I mean. And we have time, and we have text, and rich text. Rich text is the only just like the description in the products. It's a rich text when you can put like headers, as well as you can put the text in bold shape, and you know. Okay, we're gonna save that. This is the types we have. For example, here in the orders, we have the name as string, phone as number, and address as string, and we have cart as array. Array of what? Each item in the cart must to have the product name or the product reference, as well as the quantity. Okay. Here, what if I come? Okay, I want to show you something. If I come to the products here, what if I want to put the name at the first order, then put the image? Okay, what I'm gonna do here is so simple. Wait 1 second. I'm going to take that. Okay, not in orders. I'm going to come here to products, take the image, just grab it, and like that. As you can see here, it's the image in the second, and without saving nothing, it's real time. I can come to the products, and as you can see, the name now is in the first place. Okay, cool, good stuff. Let's see what else we didn't saw is what else. Yeah, let's try to make an order here. Okay, Chisama ordered of. Okay, my number, let's put point. So yeah, this is my number, and let's say the address is Marrakesh. I don't know how to type Aituril. Okay, and the product I can select. For example, I bought iPhone 14. I mean 15. With the price or with the quantity of, because I'm rich, I bought two, and I'm going to select one, headphones, and save. This is the product. It's from Chisama. This is the number, and this is the address. And if I come to quantity, the cart, it's just two items in the array. This is how it display. So good. Okay. If I click the three buttons here, the three dots, it appears the edit. I can edit the document, as well as I can duplicate it. If I click right now, it's gonna get another one from here with the same values, but I'm going to delete it. And if I can delete it like I just did, I can delete the document. Okay, the analytics is not working fine right now because we have only one product. But if I have a lot of products with time, I can see how the products, like I can see data with better visualization. What is it? The word. You got me. Okay. I'm going to come to here and let's see. Let's create a new order. We created the app before, so now we're gonna learn a new thing. Okay, in any e-commerce store dashboard, we have like when you see this, when you see a order, you have a button to go and confirm with the client if they really need if they still interested in the order they put. Okay, for this one, what we need to do is we can use actions. This is a new thing I put in this version. Let's create a new action, but make sure you are in the correct collection. For now, we have all these collections. We have categories, we have products, we have orders. Now I want to make action inside the orders, and let's create it. I'm gonna wait a little bit, and here we go. New collection, new action. Sorry, and the new action I'm gonna call it confirm, and the I need to put here an icon. I'm gonna just to put this one, and I'm going to use nodes to create the logic for the action. Okay, the first node is run. On run, if I run the action, what's gonna happen? It's gonna fire this node called WhatsApp. So as you can see, it's gonna go and confirm it with in WhatsApp in the number we gave us. But here I cannot. I can only put hard coded numbers. No, this is I don't want it like that. As you can see here, if I come to the dashboard, products, no orders. If I come here, oh wait, if I refresh, it should give us. Oh yeah, I need to save probably. Yeah, if I refresh, yes, as you can see here, there is a new action, but it's not gonna do nothing because I didn't put the logic. But as you can see, there is a document. This one is a document, and this button is inside this document. So I can have access to this document. I can have it by using this note. It's called document, and it's actually just all the field I want. For example, now I just need the phone. So I'm going to take this note and use it right here. This is the phone number I want, and I can say hello, how are you? Just something like that. Hello, how are you? So I'm gonna save it, come here, refresh, and as you can see, if I this is the order. If I clicked, it's going to WhatsApp. This is the number, and hello, how are you? Actually, WhatsApp don't work with the numbers like that. It's not it's not true. I need to use the country number. For example, here in Morocco, it's 212. So let's use that. I'm not going to use a number like this way, but I'm going to use embedding. And bum, this node is actually gonna wait. This node what's gonna do is gonna take the number and add in the front of it this number 212 phone, just like that, as you can see. And I'm gonna save. If I come back here and refresh the page, of course, as you can see here, there is the correct number with hello, how are you? What if I want to say hello, Chisama, how are you? because this order is from Chisama, and I don't want to hard code it, of course. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use embedding as again and take that from here, and I'm gonna say hello Chisama. I'm not going to use it hard coded, don't worry. Chisama, how are you? And I'm going to use here a new variable called name, and I'm gonna add a document node, and I'm gonna take select, and I'm gonna use name. And here I'm not going to use Chisama, I'm going to use name, like that. All good now. I'm gonna save it. If I come back here and I refresh the page, I'm gonna see hello Chisama, how are you? To confirm that it's not hard coded, but it's really taking the ID, the name. I'm going to come here, change it. I'm gonna say here, not change it. I can duplicate it. This is Chisama, and this one I'm gonna use another name. I don't know. Let's say, oh, Abdu Samad, something like that. I'm gonna save it. This one is Chisama. This one is Abdu Samad. So if I click right here, hello Abdu Samad, how are you? So good. If I come this one, hello Chisama. Okay. This is the actions. You know now how the actions work. I'm gonna put more nodes with time to to make the actions more useful. For now, I can do a lot of good stuff, but okay, all good. Save. I'm going now to what I'm gonna do. I'm going to explain. Yeah, there's a new. We have only one thing we didn't explain it. We're gonna come to the orders here, and there is table view. Okay, if I come to the products or anything, you have only grid analytics. I want to enable a new view called table to not show them like that way. I want to show them in a beautiful way, like in a table to have more space. Okay, if I come here, let's do it with the order. I think the order is already here, so I'm just going to delete everything to do it from the start to show you. First, you're gonna see it like that. As you can see, it's all showing you. There is no view table. I'm going to add view table and add new. There is the name. Click here, shows name. Add new. Gonna say phone. Shows new. Phone. Add the last one is address, and shows, and its address, and save. All good now. If I come to orders right now and I click here, as you can see, there's grid, table, analytics. Analytics, by the way, is just uh, a view to show analytics, and grid is this default thing, and table is this one here. As you can see, the things that we put, it's the name, phone, address, and actions. Those are the actions you can do with with this document. Uh, so if I come to here and I want, for example, if I come to the order, as you can see, there is the grid as the default. I always need to switch and take the output table to see. I can come here and to the collections and use this option here, default view as table. If I come now to the orders, as you can see, the default view is the table. Good stuff. I'm going to show you, I think we cover a lot today, but I'm not going to show you everything. Like, the project is so big. I'm so tired to explain everything. We have notification system, we have admin manager system. We have trash. We have actions. You saw that before. So there's a lot of good stuff. So yeah,